Good morning! Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. I am here for a road trip on an August morning, 2022. Jenna is not with me on this trip. I'm just coming to the park for a little while just to run around a little bit, get some energy out. You see Pandora in the distance, and here's the crowd. It is about 6:45 in the morning. Okay, here's the Mad Dash inside Animal Kingdom. Open up. It's pretty organized. This never gets old. Wow. So beautiful. There's the avatar dude.
Riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar.
To the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an...
Wow, right? I mean, I've been on this thing a bunch of times, you know? It just doesn't get old. It is fantastic. And here are the lines now. It's already about a 50-minute wait. And the park isn't even open yet. It's only open for hotel guests. They let me in, so I went in. There you go. Next is the Na'vi River journey. Welcome to Africa.
Jumbo, everyone, and welcome to Kilamanjaro Safaris. In order to keep your wait time, your transport will be arriving shortly. Asante-san, enjoy your adventure. More related to the giraffe. Those zebra-like stripes actually help them camouflage or blend into the forest.
They can actually hold their breath for about 8 minutes before needing to come up for more air. Those white birds on the island there, those are actually called pink-backed pelicans. Giraffe will have a more jagged pattern, whereas if we were to see any reticulated giraffes, they would have a more square. And the zebra will be black with white stripes, actually. They have a black nose and the first line after their hooves. Larger than the ones we saw earlier. They're about 1,000 to 2,000 pounds heavier. And they'll also have a more squared off mouth, whereas the black rhino, unfortunately, all rhinos are endangered, hunted for their horns. But if you take...
Well, that was nice. You know, you never know what you're gonna get with the safari. Sometimes you see a lot of animals, sometimes you don't, you know, and Tim saw a decent amount, so it wasn't bad. Very nice. So it's 9 a.m. and I did Pandora, the Flight of Passage, the river journey, and I also did the Kilamanjaro Safaris. I was gonna do Everest, but it's closed. It's down right now, so I'm just gonna walk around for a little bit and hopefully it opens. And it's starting to hop around here. You know, the great thing about Animal Kingdom is that it's a great place. It's a great place just to walk around, just to enjoy and relax because there's so much just to see. Got the Tree of Life. Very beautiful. Okay.
Yeah.
Heading into Dino Land, USA. Okay. We're gonna head on to Dinosaur. It's only a 5-minute wait. So let's check it out. Yeah, 5 minutes.
Honestly, like if that's how I think.
Yeah, Dinosaur is nice. It's good, you know. It's you know, I know it's older, but it's fine. Only 5-minute wait. It was worth it. I'm back in Pandora. So I'm heading back to Pandora for lunch. Even though it's really early, I'm eating at the Satu'li Canteen. There it is, the outside of it at least. Right now the Flight of Passage line is 2 hours. It's about 9:30.
Hello, Calte means hello in Navi. Welcome to Satu'li Canteen. If you're wanting to dine with us, we highly encourage mobile ordering. It'll be through the My Disney Experience app. If you already have placed a mobile order with us, make sure that you press the I'm Here button. That's going to be what sends it to the...
Okay, so I did do the mobile order, and I'm getting my beef bowl. So yeah, there we go. So there it is, right? You select your protein, your base, your sauce. Yeah. Good stuff here. And there are the kids' meals. Right up there. And as you can see, I did my mobile order. I'm just waiting for it to get done. Beautiful, beautiful place. So well done. This is one of the best quick service places you can go in all Disney. Okay, here is my bowl. I got the beef with the noodles and the onion vinaigrette sauce. It looks really good. It looks really good. So I took the first bite, and it is really good. It's, like I said, it's quick service, definitely elevated here at Animal Kingdom, and one of the best places you can come to eat in Animal Kingdom, besides one of the sit-down restaurants like Tusker House, or Yak and Yeti, or Tiffin's. So yeah, very good. Well, I didn't like it. Nah, I'm just kidding, of course. It was great. It was amazing. I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Jen and I have only been here, I think, maybe once or twice before. I was here for an event once, but great place to go. Animal Kingdom has great food. So Jenna's not here, of course, which means I haven't been in any gift shops. So I'm gonna go in one gift shop for Jenna. Here's the Island Mercantile. Ooh. By the way, Avatar merchandise. I don't remember the store having so much Pandora merchandise, but they have a lot here. Wow, she got this Encanto shirt. It says Bruno. All these bags. Wow, no limit. Look at that. That's pretty cool. $30. Okay, it's only 10:30 in the morning, but I'm leaving already. Just came for a quick visit to Animal Kingdom, just walk around for a little bit. And now I'm out. So out from Paul and Jenna's adventures.